Hey, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy Biggs coming at y'all with another trade video, trade update video, recap, all that. You feel me? It is March 13th, about noon over here on the West Coast. You feel me? Yeah, man. I know it's been a minute. It's been like a week or so since I posted a video, and the truth is, I've just been grinding my ass off, man. Fucking got back into the gym because I was slacking on that, and then back testing my ass off, man. See, what had happened was your boy pretty much done blown the top step evals. So I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna wait for the rebuild date for them to reset it automatically. I'm not gonna try to do it now. Cause I have these Apex accounts, PA accounts, two 250K accounts that I'm focused on right now, and just trying to get acclimated with the whole new approach that I've been back testing, right? So what had caused this whole whatever the fuck you want to call it situation is on my top step evals, right? I had caught myself trying to. That's the crazy part. I wasn't even going for crazy RR like that. And I've already said this before, but I was, you know what I'm saying? I would have a trade set up probably for like a 1 to 2.5, maybe 1 to 3. And what kept happening to me on the top step evals is I would see a setup, looks good. I'd go up 1 R, 1 to 1.5 R in profit, and then it would come back, hit my break even, and then smack my TP, right? So that that only happened a couple times, and that was enough to like piss me off to the point where I stopped moving to break even at 1 to 1 R, 1 to 1.5, and just keeping it open because I was just like, you know what I'm saying, the last couple times this shit happened, it hit my break even and smack TP, and that's like really triggering, you know. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna just let it hit stop or TP, you know what I'm saying, like let it rock type shit. And then of course those are the ones that start to stop me out and cook, you know what I'm saying, cook my accounts. So I had pretty much just lost on setups I didn't need to lose on, which kind of just caused me to just say, you know, like fuck it, like I already, cause I'm going kind of high risk on these evals because I'm just tired of the whole evaluation phase. Like I have the money and like I'm not trying to waste months of, you know what I'm saying, months of my time to be in an eval. Just me personally, I know it's not the right approach or right mindset to have, but just me personally, I'm over that, right? So I'm just focused on right now on these Apex accounts, but mainly what I've been back testing is and noticing with all my trades overall is with my approach, I consistently hit, you know what I'm saying, 1 to 1 R, 1 to 1.5 R on my A plus setups. So, you know, I'm kind of trying to I'm back testing my ass off to get to a point. Y'all even got FX replay open right here, like 7 hours probably in the past week or so. I'm trying to get to a point where you know, I'm able to risk more for 1 to 1s, you know what I'm saying, knowing that I have a very high win rate to, you know what I'm saying, to be able to confidently do that. So once these top step accounts reset in like a week or whatever the fuck the rebuild date is, I'm gonna try to bring the one to one approach to top step and just, you know what I'm saying, try to pass the evals relatively quickly and you know, approach it like that compared to just taking these little, you know what I'm saying, baby amounts of risk and waiting for that one trade, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, the markets have been really good this week, so I know there's a lot of people consistently catching high RR trades, but with high RR trades, there's moments in the market or moments where you're just, you know what I'm saying, consistently getting stopped at break even or consistently taking losses, going for a high RR. And, you know, I kind of fell into that social media trap of thinking that I needed a high RR to be profitable when that is not the case at all. You know what I'm saying? I really started to do some research and reflecting and started to realize like some of the best traders in the world consistently take their 1-to-1 R, 1 to 1.5 R. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like I kind of feel like social media is kind of leading a lot of people in the wrong direction in a sense. Um, just trying to make it seem like you need high risk to reward to be profitable when that's not the case whatsoever. Um, and yeah, and I don't know. I encourage anybody that's struggling out there in their trading to just, you know what I'm saying, especially with the win rate, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know the technicals or concepts or anything like that, you obviously just need to study more. But if you're having a low strike rate and, you know what I'm saying, I can, you know what I'm saying, I can't even talk right now. You know what I'm saying? I recommend you, you know what I'm saying, lower your risk to reward. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna seem like it's hurting you in a sense because you're gonna lower your risk to reward and see price run for a lot longer, but it's that's gonna start not mattering to you in some time once you consistently start bringing in wins and money in the market. You know what I'm saying? It's just you're not gonna care. You know what I'm saying? Because what I'm starting to realize is if you just consistently take 1-to-1s, 1 to 1.5 R trades, you know what I'm saying, across multiple accounts. Like I'm pretty sure with Apex you could have 20 fucking funded accounts, right? You could have 20 of them, and my 1-to-1 today got me $600. You know what I'm saying? So like just put it in perspective, and I'm not even risking a lot for the 250K account, but to put it in perspective, like that's a lot of money, and that's just 1-to-1s. I don't need to catch whole moves, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't need all of that, and it's way easier on my psychology, and it builds your confidence up way faster than, you know what I'm saying, trying to catch fucking, you know what I'm saying, 200, 300 point moves. And don't get me wrong, like there's definitely some instances where I could take my 1-to-1 and leave a runner if I'm in position to, and you know what I'm saying, if I could do that, that's even better. You know what I'm saying? You get the best of both worlds. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, get your money for the day and then move your stop and profit or trail it or however you want to approach it, and you have one running. Like that'd be amazing. But for the most part, what I've been back testing is just taking my 1-to-1s and 1 to 1.5. And I've been seeing some pretty good results on these Apex accounts, I feel like, in my back testing. So that's building a lot of confidence. You know what I'm saying? My confidence was pretty low last week when I was getting cooked, trying to catch 1-to-2s, 1-to-3s, and it just reversing right before the draw liquidity I was aiming for just for it to come back and hit me at break even or hit me for stop me out and then smack my TP right up. Like I'm over all of that, man. And I kind of see why people take their 1-to-1s. Cause I used to be like, man, 1-to-1s, like they're tripping, like they're cutting them, they're selling, you know what I'm saying? They're selling themselves short, but like they're really not. And if you're consistently able to do that, it will do wonders for you. But I've been yapping for too long. Let me get right into the trade that couple trades that I took today. So I did take a loss today actually. Cause as you guys can see, let me just do the top step one. It's way cleaner. As you guys can see, we were in this daily for value gap, bullish for value gap, and we've been failing to close below it. It looks like we're gonna close below it today, but we'll see. But we had PPI this morning, and the trade I took was to try to take a buy to data highs. That's what I was trying to do, right? Where is it on here? Let me just go to the fucking Trader Bait one. Yeah. Because it shows up on here. I already have it marked up on here. Alright, yeah, data highs are right here. And we had a 30-second and 1-minute inversion right here that I tried to take to data highs. And I got cooked. Well, not cooked. This was a break-even one, actually. Yeah, I should, yeah, this was a break even trade, so I didn't get cooked on that one, because we had pretty much taken out this high right here. So once we took that out, I probably should have just taken profit, honestly. But data highs are right there, so I was like, eh. So like, you know what I'm saying, even that happens on 1-to-1s too. So just imagine on a, you know what I'm saying, bigger scale of risk to reward. But yeah, I think the loss was the actual loss that I took earlier was in here. In here. We had got this sweep of sell side right here to open up at 9:30 open, 6:30 my time, and yeah, we had inverted this 30-second gap right here. So I tried to get in right here. It was gonna break even at this high right here to take out data highs again, and that's where I lost. So I lost a little bit right there. Made it back on this 15-second inversion, just taking inversions for 1-to-1s, you know. You know what I'm saying? We had that little V-shaped recovery kind of trade right here to take out this high right here. Quick little 1-to-1, took that, and then yeah, and then this last trade is where I went into profit. God damn, let me just click this shit. I'm on the 15 seconds still. God, what a sloppy video. I already feel like I'm rusty from, you know what I'm saying, a week break. My God damn. But yeah, this was the trade I took. I'll mark this one. I had this one marked up on Top Step, so I'll just go ahead and Top Step X. So yeah, we had a 5-minute liquidity sweep here. It was Monday or Tuesday's low, I believe. Yeah, Tuesday's low. And then you know what I'm saying, 5-minute, we had a 1-minute BPR right here, but it didn't quite hold. And then what I was gonna do, I had two approaches, right? So let me just go to the 5-minute for this. We had this low right here, the 130 low or 136 low, whatever, around that area. Since we were so bearish, I was gonna wait for a price to either retest this and then invert a gap that had pushed us into this PD array, or wait for an inversion to take out this high right here. Because on the 1-minute, you're gonna see that it was a nice wick high. That was a relative equal high as well. But yeah, once we got into here, we failed to close above the first 5-minute gap, and then the second one had closed, but it was kind of above it a little bit, so I didn't want to take it right away. And then we had a 1-minute gap right here that I kind of just took real quick for a little one to whatever the fuck, for a little scalp right to this high right here. So that was the last trade of the day that put me up 600 for the day. But yeah, I'm sure you guys have been killing it, you know what I'm saying? It's been pretty good price action, honestly, this week. So there's a lot of room to leave runners, especially if you're on the sell side of the curve, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I hope you guys are doing well. Just a quick little update to let y'all know I'm doing good, man. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 funded accounts. More on the way, of course. And hopefully this new approach gets me those top step ones that I've kind of been aiming for. You know what I'm saying? But if it doesn't, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to just keep trying to milk Apex. You know what I'm saying? Get it where you can, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't a thing. But, and we move. But I'm not going to be updating as much anymore because I've just been so busy, you know what I'm saying, just focusing on myself. Like I said, I got back in the gym and just have other responsibilities to do. So I'll try to get you guys a video every day or every other day. But there's no promises. But anyways, you know what I'm saying, thanks for fucking with me anyway. And I love y'all, man. Y'all stay safe. Been yapping too long on here.